Yes, good morning, children. Yesterday we have discussed introduction of food. These are the food. We eat food for energy, to grow, prevent from diseases, and worn out tissues like that. These are the major nutrients that we get from food: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. These are classification of food. Food divided into three types: energy giving food, body building food, protective food. That way, today we are going to discuss in deep about these nutrients. First of all, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. If we do not eat enough carbohydrates, we would feel weak, dull, and tired. People who do a lot of physical work need to eat lots of carbohydrates. Cereals, potatoes, bananas, and sugar are rich sources of carbohydrates. Yes, see children. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. Yes, we get energy from carbohydrates. Without this energy, we can't do any work. If we do not enough carbohydrates, there is no energy. Then we feel weak, dull, and tired. Daily, we are doing many activities. For this, we need energy. No energy, we can't do work. Understand, children? People who do a lot of physical work need to eat lots of carbohydrates. Yes, some people are doing hard work, like farmers, some laborers, masons. These are all. So they are doing hard work. They need more energy. That's why they need more carbohydrates. Yes, all the cereals give us carbohydrates. Along with cereals, potatoes, bananas, and sugar are rich sources of carbohydrates. From these also potato, bread, banana, these are all rich sources of carbohydrates. Next, fats. Fats are another nutrient group that give us a lot of energy. But our body does not prefer to use fats as the main energy source. Too much fatty foods tend to make us fat and obese. Oily foods, butter, ghee are rich in fat. Yes, see children, fats also give us energy. Lots energy, double energy than carbohydrate. But our body does not prefer these energy. Understand children? Of course, double energy is giving than carbohydrates. But this is bad energy. Okay children, that's why our body first to prefer to take energy from carbohydrates, later fats. Yes children, yes. Too much fatty foods tend to make us fat and obese. If we eat too much fatty foods, oily foods especially, then we become fat and obese and cause many diseases, blood pressures, heart stroke especially. So don't eat fatty foods. Understand children? Deep fried foods like bhajis, all the junk food especially. Okay children. So oily foods, butter, ghee, these are rich in fats. Okay children. Next, proteins. Proteins helps in growth of the body and repair wounds and injuries. Proteins help in building up muscles and fighting of infection. Milk and milk products, pulses, meat, eggs are good sources of proteins. Yes, proteins help in growth of the body. Yes, growing up children eat more proteins, then only they will grow healthy, right height, right body, like that. So more proteins they have to eat who are growing up. Understand, children? Next, repair wounds and injuries. Yes, while doing some work, we may hurt, we may get injured. So these protein heal our wounds, repair our wounds and injuries. Proteins help in building up muscles and fighting off infections. So proteins building up of our muscles, our body. So who are doing gym, if you want to make your body six pack, then you eat more proteins. Proteins building up muscles and fighting off infections, disease causing germs. Understand, children? Yes. Milk and milk products, pulses especially. All pulses give us proteins. Meat, fish, eggs are good sources of proteins. Understand, children? Next, vitamins. Vitamins are needed in our, sorry, vitamins are needed in very tiny quantity by our body. Vitamins help the body work properly and prevent us from falling sick. Fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, eggs are some rich sources of vitamins. C, vitamins are needed in very tiny quantity by our body. We need more carbohydrate, more proteins, some fats. Here vitamins, very tiny quantity, a little amount of vitamins need our body. No need too much. Vitamins help the body work properly and prevent us from falling sick. So these vitamins fight with disease causing germs. Vitamins make our body healthy. So we should eat more fruits and vegetables as well as milk, meat, all this. So fruits, vegetable, milk, meat, eggs are some rich sources of vitamins. Understand, children? Next, minerals. Minerals help in building our teeth, bones, and blood. Calcium, iron, and sodium are some minerals needed by our body. Milk, greeny leafy vegetables, eggs, meat are some sources of minerals. So, like vitamins, our body needs minerals also in tiny quantity. So, these minerals building up our teeth, bones, blood. So, calcium, iron, and sodium are some minerals needed by our body. Calcium, good for bones. Iron, good for blood, like that. Milk, greeny leaf vegetables, eggs, meat are some sources of minerals. So if we eat these greeny leafy vegetables, eggs, meat, and we drink milk, so by these we can get minerals. Understand, children? Yes. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic. Okay, children? Thank you.